Nakajingjilay jong drugs kabalakta omsho tangya kajala Meghalaya Henry Wadyagi Tan Chatay Lammingi Umantri Rangba kajala Assam Uhimanta Biswa Sarma Ulapan Pau Badon Kam Kajingitray lang haparing kajala Assam bat Meghalaya Haga Jingbtin Lynti ka Sorkar India Banla Bantek lakam Yaw New Jingdi was new. Kadi kajingkran jong Menteri Rangba kajala Assam kadai hadian kajingwan yashim banta jong u haka passing out parade jong ka North Eastern Police Academy Nipa Omyam haka arpu pratare ulber arja arpusan. Habakran sigilat patay kubor uhimanta biswa ulong bakani kadai kajingkta kabakraw bahabat ki don bun jat ki rukom trekam kinong kayi drugs balada don kajing tre lang ban yakunya kinong kayi drugs anla ban yo kajing job.
You see, I am of the view that all the state governments is doing whatever is best, and this is a big menace. There are various modus operandi for the drug traffickers. I think if we keep on collectively attacking the drugs cartel, we are going to win the war. Every state is working, and I think we have lot of things to do more. We have to do more, and we'll do more. Kingpins are not here. Kingpins are across the border. They may not be in India also. So they only push drugs through various agents, and sometimes they comes with big quantity. Sometimes they come with a very small quantity. You cannot even detect. But 10 people travel together in a railway train to Delhi, and everybody has half a gram heroin in their pockets. It is very difficult. So they have all the modus operandi. They can even take it by walking also. If a person from Guwahati start walking to Shillong with her drugs in his pocket, it is very difficult to find out. So they deploy various methodology. Police has to work better than them, and this is the way how we operate. Still, I believe that Assam and Meghalaya still drugs traffickers use it as a career, but they have other methodology also. They drop drugs through drone also. So even if you are not proximate to the Golden Triangle, they can still fly drones to the any location. So it is a big game, and it is not that just by discussing between you and me it is going to be solved. Then if it would have been that easy, then it would have been resolved long back. But I believe this is a long battle, but you have to have your patience. You have to continue attack one after another. You have to keep on arresting them. If you have to keep on seizing drugs so that the economy is broken. So it is a continuous and sustained effort you have to do.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la aikan diat bada ka bathau bha kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya